RedmiBook Air 13 with 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 41 watt-hours battery launched. RedmiBook Air 13 has been launched in China as the latest entrant in the Xiaomi sub-brand's Air series. The thin and light notebook comes with the latest 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor and integrated graphics. The RedmiBook Air 13 will be offered in two configurations and a single color variant. While this notebook has been silently added to the Xiaomi sub-brand's portfolio, Redmi is hosting a launch event for its first ever gaming laptop in China today. RedmiBook Air 13 price. The RedmiBook Air 13 comes in two configurations, 8GB plus 512GB SSD and 16GB plus 512GB SSD. The base 8GB RAM variant is priced at 4,699 Chinese yuans, roughly 50,600 rupees, while the 16GB RAM variant is priced at 5,199 Chinese yuans, roughly 56,000 rupees. It will be offered in a single silver color option. The RedmiBook Air 13 is currently up for pre-orders in China and will go on sale starting August 17th. As of now, there is no information on international availability. RedmiBook Air 13 specifications, features. The RedmiBook Air 13 comes with Windows 10 pre-installed. It features a 13.3-inch 2560 by 1600 pixels display with 16:10 aspect ratio for more vertical screen real estate. The notebook has 300 nits of peak brightness and 100% coverage of the sRGB color space. It has slim bezels on three sides and a relatively thick chin. There is no webcam on the RedmiBook Air 13. Powered by the quad-core 10th generation Intel Core i5-10210Y CPU with a base clock of 1 GHz, the notebook comes with up to 16 GB of DDR3 RAM and 512GB SSD for storage. The graphics are handled by the Intel Integrated Graphics chipset. The RedmiBook Air 13 packs a 41 watt-hours battery that the company claims can last more than 8 hours depending on the use. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth V5.0, two USB Type-C ports, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. It also features USB Type-C charging. The brand is used all copper cooling for better heat dissipation and dual exhausts for better airflow. In terms of dimensions, the RedmiBook Air 13 is just 12.99mm thick and weighs 1.05 kilograms. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.